In this video, I'd like to show you how adding team members can really enhance the customer experience. Floorwatch gives shoppers a tool to request help in stores, so they don't have to flag someone down. Now, sometimes team members are tied up with other customers. Other times, they can be busy with an assigned task. And in some cases, team members may not even notice when a customer is ready for help. Even if only the manager on duty logs into Floorwatch to dispatch associates, that manager will assure store visitors that they've come to the right place and that help is on the way. On our screen, we see the customer's device on the left and the team member's device on the right. Notice the team member is not currently logged into Floorwatch. For demonstration purposes, we've again listed the Floorwatch headquarters as a store location. And as you can see, I am present here in this location. Our office is geofenced, along with more than 50,000 store locations across North America. As we've said before, when no team members are logged in, the customer can still rate their visit and dial the service desk from within the store's geofence. They do this by using the Call for Help button that you see here on the left. We covered this in our previous video. But in this video, I want to show you what happens when a store associate is in fact logged in. On the right, I will log in as a team member using the credentials provided by the accounts administrator. When I first log in, I see that there are no pending flares at this moment. At Floorwatch, we call our messages flares. Think of flares as a special kind of request within the store environment. I'm sending up a flare for help. Any team member can claim my flare simply by responding to it. Now that a team member is logged in, I'm going to refresh the customer app by pulling down the screen on the left. Of course, this won't be necessary if the team member is already logged in before the customer arrives. I want you to watch the Call for Help button on the left. Once the app recognizes there's a team member monitoring for help requests, the Call for Help button turns into a Flare for Help button. When I choose the Flare for Help button, instead of dialing the service desk, Floorwatch opens a dialog screen, and the system instantly begins with a question. How can we help you? When I place the cursor in the message field, a set of responses appear. I need help with something, I need info on something, or I'm ready to do something. So I'm going to ask for help. In this example, I respond, I need help with upgrading my phone. The very moment a shopper responds to the first question, a second question pops up. Where can we find you? At this point, no store associate has yet been alerted. But we want this shopper to tell us where exactly they can be found in the store. So let's answer. I'm in the aisle with iPhones and hit submit. The very instant I answer the second question, every team member logged in at this location will get notified on their device. You can see on the right, there's a pending flare that we just sent. If the manager on duty is the only one logged in, they can dispatch help through a traditional store headset. But if each associate is equipped with a device, they can respond individually and have their session rated by the customer. Regardless, the first one to respond to the customer in the Floorwatch app has claimed the flare. We'll see this in a moment. It's important to point out that there is no special hardware required for store associates to use the app. They can log in using any iOS or Android device with mobile or Wi-Fi access. If company policy forbids personal devices, a company-issued store device like an iTouch or a tablet can be used. In this case, I'm going to use the team member app to open the customer's flare request. I can already see they need help with their phone, and they are in the aisle with iPhones. Notice below on the right, the team member has no keyboard. There are only one-click responses. Customers expect personal attention, so sending answers from a distance is a no-no. So here are ways a team member can respond. First, they can say, "I am on my way." Or the manager on duty can say, "Someone is on their way." If the customer's location is still unclear, the team member can ask the customer to be more specific. If the customer is hard to find, the team member can send a follow-up, "I'm having trouble finding you." And if needed, they can apologize for being delayed. But on the left, you'll notice the customer always has the keyboard handy. In this case, the team member responds, "I'm on my way." And when they do, a countdown displays on both devices. This sets the expectation that someone will arrive at the customer's location in 5 minutes or less. This is one way to keep customers from walking out the door. You've now agreed that someone is on their way and will be there in a short amount of time. Obviously, I won't make you wait for 5 minutes. So with the magic of digital video, I'll speed this up. You see the customer's device on the left? A question now displays. Did you get the help you needed? If the associate did arrive, this survey will remain on display until after the shopping visit. If the associate did not arrive, it's an opportunity for the customer to submit their rating while giving the associate a few more moments to show up. But in this case, I will say, yes, I did get the help I needed. You see the team member's device on the right? When I responded, the team member sees that I, the customer, found them helpful. All of this is captured in reports, available to the store administrator. We'll cover reports in another video. The next screen then asks the customer to rate their experience. I will rate this experience 4 stars. And when I do, the keyboard pops up. Your associate was very helpful. And now I'll press Done and submit if I'm sure. While the star rating is shared with the team member on the right, the customer's comments will only be captured in the store administrator's dashboard. Customer comments will not be shared directly with the team member. And there you have it, the Floorwatch Flair for Help feature. Thanks for watching. And if you're a store owner, be sure to sign up for our free 30-day trial. Or for more info, please visit our website and download the free app at floorwatch.com.